Bloody stupidly early. Got to get to the train. I'm running the Appian Way, or a little bit of it this morning. Here we go. Oh god, it's miles. Absolutely miles. Got 5 minutes though, I'm alright. Okay, here we are. S.Maria Delle Mole. 6 o'clock in the morning nearly. We're in the middle of nowhere, a place called Via Delle Mole, and we're at the beginning of the Appian Way. That's a total lie, we're nowhere near the beginning of it. It's about 400 kilometres long, but we're at the beginning of the last bit, which is about 18 kilometres I think, and supposed to be pretty amazing and very historic piece of road, so I thought, well, when in Rome, haha. Must have run about 200 metres. There's little stones all over the Appian Way, little fuckers. Took me out, and don't know if you saw it on the time lapse, but now I've got a bit of that going on. Never mind, can't see it. Oh look, that's nice as well. I just ran past somebody as well, so I was like, buongiorno, we're running the Appian Way. Fuck's sake. first 9 miles, something like that, on the old road were just incredible. Loved it. Bit of an early start. Shame I trashed my knee. The last bit coming into Rome was a bit difficult, a bit dodgy on the road sometimes, but glad I did it. Little micro adventure before breakfast. About 11 miles I think in total. Yeah, fun. Enjoy. Ciao, ciao.